Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP function in your Google Sheets. I have a dump here, dump 1 and dump 2. So we're going to use VLOOKUP for these two tables. So I have a fruit names here. So I'm going to match this fruit names with this dump by using VLOOKUP function. So I'm going to use equals to VLOOKUP. So what exactly VLOOKUP does is it matches the cell reference with the main DUM. So this is the main DUM. So I've selected the DUM. So the only thing is like which detail you want. So you have to select only that range. So I want to have the price. So that is the reason I stop here. I only select item and price. If I want quantity, then I can increase my range to D column. So I want only price, so I'll end here and then count the columns 1, 2. So there are 2 columns, comma 0. 0 is for exact match. So I'm going to click on OK on auto suggestion. So this is how you can get the details. Now let's say you want quantity, not the price. Instead of 2, write down 3. It will give you the details of the quantity, but make sure you also extend your range to column C, because the quantity is in column C. Okay, from B. Okay, let's, instead of editing this one, let's write it down in the empty cell so that you can understand easily. We look up and then select the search reference, and then I'm going to select till quantity, comma, and then how many columns are there? 3. So I'm going to write 3 comma 0, hit enter. Now you can see I got 253 quantity. Let's say if I want total, let's increase to E and then change it to 4. I guess now I should get the total. Yes, now I get the total here. Let me drag the formula. So this is how the VLOOKUP function works. Now I have another dump where I want this Superman city. Let's find it out using VLOOKUP, and then I'm going to select search range and then the range from the main dump, because I want city, so that I have selected till the city. Now what is a city column? 1, 2, 3. So it's a third column, so I'm going to write 3 comma 0 and in the parenthesis. I'm going to click on OK on auto suggestion. So as you can see, I got all the city names by using VLOOKUP. So this is how you can use VLOOKUP in your daily life. It helps you a lot, and it is a very basic function, and also it is very useful when you deal with the data. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.